In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google and Wayfair to find the best open box deals. Whether you're looking for furniture, decor, or even kitchenware, scoring a great deal can be both exciting and a smart way to save money. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type in Wayfair Open Box Deals. This is a great way to find fantastic finds that are slightly discounted yet still of excellent quality. After entering the search term, hit the Enter key to initiate the search. Now that we have our search results, you'll want to look for the link that says Wayfair Clearance and Open Box Deals. Typically, this link should be right at the top, coming up as the first result. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to Wayfair's dedicated page for these special deals. It's a treasure trove for anyone hunting for a bargain on high-quality items. Once you've arrived on the Wayfair Clearance and Open Box page, the fun part begins: browsing. Scroll through the various categories and items that catch your eye. Take your time to explore the different offerings, noting the diverse range of products available. As you're browsing, feel free to use filters to narrow down your search by categories such as furniture type or even color, which can make your shopping experience even more efficient. After finding an item that piques your interest, hover over the item and you'll notice an option that says Quick View. Click on it. This feature provides a brief summary of the product without having to load a new page. It's an efficient way to quickly assess whether the item meets your needs, saving you time as you shop. If the item still looks promising, you'll want to learn more before making a purchase. This is where the See Full Details button comes into play. Go ahead and click on it. Here you can dive deeper into the item's specifications, reviews, and any other details that might impact your decision. It's like getting a backstage pass to all the information you need before adding the item to your cart. Satisfied with your choice? Great! Now go ahead and click on Add to Cart. This will securely place your selected item in your virtual shopping basket, ready for checkout once you're finished browsing. And there you have it, a seamless experience from search to cart. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to effectively use Google and Wayfair to snag some wonderful open box deals. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're able to land some fantastic items along the way.